Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place in the world for Can-Am Spyder and Riker pads in the future Canyon as well. This is our brand new, our fourth Can-Am Spyder RT20 Plus, fourth in the tour and rental agency, tourzone3.com, and we need to upgrade it to Martin the Vlogger standard, so a lot of money will go in, but I'm doing things differently. Maybe that is one of the reasons why I have most of my tours almost sold out for 2025 already. Anyway, too much of bullshit. In these super relaxed episodes, you will see what I will put on the bike and what it's already on the bike. Why? Because actually I have upgraded this bike 1.5 years ago, and the owner decided to sell it, so I could not resist. Anyway, we will put brand new wrap, not brand new in terms of only design, but also I believe different finishing of the materials, different quality, because I have found one supplier that can do many interesting things. We will put some upgrades and I will explain you why, and maybe we can have a discussion why I'm doing it, if that's something you would like to do or not, based on the workload, or you know, if that's your style of an upgrade. Anyway guys, enough of this bullshit. First upgrade, lights. Why? Because I do love lights. That light looks badass. Absolutely badass. And two, I have a brand new product, so I need to do an installation video about it. That's true. So now enough of this, let's get started. So the first two lights I'm gonna install, one is the brand new bright light that goes under the front. You can get it on my shop, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and I'm gonna do the installation together with the OX light, one of my most favorite lights towards visibility and safety. Even though it's called OX, I don't know what OX means, but you know, you are super visible. It's not directly in the face of approaching vehicles, but you are visible from very, very, very far distance. Now really, compare that visibility of those two side lights on the fenders and this one in front and that one in front. It's just what you see. Tell me what you see. Which makes it one of the best upgrades ever. And I'm gonna top it up with new option, when you will be able to turn it on and off at any moment. Hopefully it will work, but this video is a relaxed video and I don't care. Well, failure is a failure and you will see it on the camera, or maybe win situation is a win situation and you're gonna see it on the camera. So of course installation is a breeze. Let's do it. In terms of OX light, so this light that goes here, I receive a lot of questions or comments, or sometimes even begging that if you check here, come with me, come closer. So if you check here, in that hole, in North America, and I believe only in North America, you will have a cable there. And you are super lucky. In case you are just doing the installation of the OX light, you are super lucky, because basically you will just plug in this cable and your light will be working. It will be always on, but it will be working. Now if you are in Europe, Australia, Asia, New Zealand, UK, most probably there will be just empty hole. And many people do buy a lights from BRP, and BRP do not sell this magic cable. So we do have it as a part of the packaging. That's the reason why I tell you, with my light, you can do the installation in every continent, because you have this part of the cable in case you have the plug there, or you have extended cable, but you need to remove everything, but at least you have an option to run those lights. Plus the price, it's a badass price, so win, 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 win. I'm good. Very good. Voila. It works. That light looks badass. Absolutely badass. I'm just thinking if I should not rename the light for a glory light or something. The visibility from the distance. Look. Finally you will be seen, and this is what I have problem with, you know. These lights are not really super visible. They are not strong LED lights. So this one in the middle, so everybody thinks like, okay, is there two bicycles approaching me? No, that is a bloody big ass thing approaching me. And that light, I love floorboard lights on RTs. I love them. That makes me happy. That's the reason why it cost me a lot to put them on all of the RTs that we have in tour and rental agency. Yeah, I'm stupid, I know. But this light, definitely it creates a smile on my face right away. It's just beautiful. Now, we're gonna put more lights on this bike. It's gonna be some for some other episodes, because I don't wanna keep these stories way too long. However, I will put it together so you will see it how it looks on the bike, and because I need to take some pictures for the shop. And in case you want these lights, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Of course, I will be adding sequential rocket bright lights because I like the turn light signal functionality. We will do the kicklope light, and a couple more things in front. So stay tuned and let me put the bike a little bit together so I can take some pictures. It looks nice also when it's, you know, not on. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now really, compare that visibility of those two side lights on the fenders and this one in front. And that one in front. It's just what you see. Tell me what you see. No doubt. Cool, safety, and personalization. Love it. Now, thank you very much guys for watching. First episode, it's over. Stay tuned because I'm gonna work on more lights and the kill switch for those lights in front. So a lot of work ahead.